With 2-5, we're going to talk about scatter plots and line regression. So, with scatter plots and line regression, I just want to show you an example. It'll be a lot easier. So first, you want to plot all these points. 1, 7, 3, 10, 4, 10, 6, 12, 8, 15, 9, 17, 10, 19, 12, 20. Okay. Now, to draw your line that best fit, it's not going to touch every one of these points, but what I'm end up doing is going to go through the middle. So, it's relatively close to all of them, but it's not going to touch for the most part anyway. Now, to do our prediction, we need a slope. So, slope can be found by m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what you want to do is pick 2 points. What I see is that line should kind of pretty well on these last two, this point and this point. So that's 1, 7 and 12, 20. So those are my 2 points. Now plug in those points. So remember, this is x and this is y. When you subtract, you get 13 over 11, and that's your slope. Now, to get the rest of your equation, you need a point slope form. So your point slope form is y minus y1 equals m x minus 1x x1. Now, for the y1 and x1, it's just a point on your graph, so you can pick any point. And I want to pick 12, 20. So let's plug in the information that we know. We know y is 20, m is 13 over 11, parenthesis x minus 12. And then solve for y. I'm going to add 20. Y equals 13x minus 12 plus 20. Now distribute. And 13 over 11 times 12, that's going to give you 14.18, repeating, plus 20. Combine your like terms. Y equals 13 over 11x plus 20. So that's 5.82. So that's my prediction. Now, to see if my prediction, how close my prediction is, you can put in your graph and plot those. So what you need is put all these points in the calculator, and you don't have to put them in numerical order. You can just put them as they are, as long as you match the X and Y's. Okay. Then you click Stat. Go to For Linear Regression. Press Enter. And it tells us that we get Y equals AX plus B. But A is 1.23. 1.23 X plus, and B is 5.57. Now, that's pretty dang close to yours, because 13 over 11 is roughly 1.18. So our line of progression is pretty well. Okay. On the back, it asks us to predict the 12th Congress. So to do our prediction, we need to do a line of regression. So again, go to Stat, Edit, and plug all those points. Okay, then you want to click Stat again after you finish plugging all those data in. Go over Calc, go down to 4 where it says Linear Regression, press Enter, Enter again, and then you have this equation. So now you have Y equal 4.68 X plus, well, negative. But that's really just a minus. Now, all you're going to do is plug in the 112th Congress session in for X, right? Because these are your X. Once you plug this in, 4.68 times 112 minus 428.03. It's going to tell us we have roughly 96. And 96 is the number of women in the United States Congress. Alright, that's it for today. See y'all tomorrow.